Pussy them corrupt, yeah, the Gaza ship sinking.
Me see Masicka come out.
Mr. G British, what the new name for Masicka? Because we are change the landslide to quicksand, you know, to hold them a sink, you know. But what we are call Masicka, Mr. G British?
A system, dog. Me mind a dog.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Masicka album flop. Masicka dropped an 8-track album called Her Name Is Love on December 19, 2025 on Alkaline's birthday, right? Big label release album, Def Jam Records, which is a subsidiary to Universal Music Group.
Yo, this is Real Talk, and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Who know me from over my main channel knows that every now and then, me have a Real Talk series on the channel. So I decided to create a channel just for This Is Real Talk alone, more than for mix Real Talk with my content creation over there, so you see me? So big up to everybody who found from over there, so and if you're new, this is the first Real Talk when I go on. I can't tell nobody to subscribe. You must know, say, after you watch the content, if you rate the reasoning, if you subscribe to some of the things that I want to say, you see me? If you know a Real Talk me I make, then you must know if you want to subscribe or not. What we can do is I ask you if you like the video and share the video. You see me? So Masicka EP, it flop as I hear Owen Allen say. You see me? Big up Owen Allen. So yo, Masicka left the war with tommylee. Figured make a EP. Remember say during the war now, they must say yo, Masicka have better things to do. He might deal with him EP or he might deal with him album. See? So Masicka, this left the war figure do. Drop an album and not go up on the billboard. Whether you want to call it EP or album, remember say it backed by the Def Jam. So right now, Masicka, you're a system dog right now, like the system, Def Jam system, them not rate you, bro. Not even one international collab on the album. So this really left the clash. Yo, me see a comment over world music views, like somebody I say, yo, like like somebody I find excuse and I say, yo, I just want like a girl EP, man. So first, when I say, him have better things to do than for clash tommylee. Him a go deal with the album, and now when the album not sell nothing, I'm gonna say, yo, I just want like a girl album. Yo, Jano, bro. Yo, it rough pound in a dog. tommylee, no, yo, tommylee continue to put a dent in the brother your career. Attribute this to tommylee and the war. You see me? Attribute this to Gaza left the one side. Remember me telling you that the one side name for change, you know, to quicksand, because when I sink, you talk about the Gaza ship sinking. Yo, you just get consistent in the game. There's no way you have a flop album. And you are the man where when you drop Mute and when you drop them song, the Umbrella and them thing there couple years ago, you always a trend, and you them say the man, you them say the next the generation king, and you them say that, so oh, you have a flop EP. Remember say me telling you, you know, say the EP argument was a way of run from the war. Remember me telling you that over my main channel. So the EP argument, some people say the EP have to promote, like, you know, some people, Masicka smart, you know, he might drop the EP during the war to promote the EP. No, bro, if you lose the war, nobody don't want to hear your EP. If you had win the war now, probably your EP would have not do good, but the people don't have no faith in you again. Them see tommylee a beat. When I want to hear no EP for a war, I want to hear. So the people when they just say that, see it confirm and now say it never have nothing to do with no promote no EP. I run him and use it for run from the war. When you talk about him go deal with EP, bro. Because who really promote EP like that, like no big promotion? People just drop EP and EP do it one do. But them just say, yo, him left the war for go deal with EP and this are the result. tommylee again, you have to attribute this to tommylee and the Gaza fans them. We left the one side sinking like a quicksand. You see me? And alright, and just a reminder, whosoever subscribe to the main channel, which is DJ Dreadbeard React, you have to subscribe to the channel too, because sometime I bring the reasoning from over there, so come over here. So sometime when me see it get to 20 minutes over my main channel, me just cut the video. Sometime when me over DJ Dreadbeard React and me see it get to 20 minutes, me just cut the video because I don't want to go over 20 minutes. Over here, so I don't want to go over 12 minutes. So more why I just continue the reasoning. Over here, so I'm more straightforward. Over here, so yesterday me that talk about Movado Zine and the Vybz Kartel Gully Gaza tour. Yo, if Movado can't pull a crowd in a Jamaica like him have a concert for keep and him postpone it. See? Nobody not care if him keep it or not. So this Gully Gaza tour with Vybz Kartel at about. If Vybz Kartel will keep a Gully Gaza tour, a Vybz Kartel a pull all of the crowd, you know. Gully not contribute to none of the crowd. And then you go hear some people a say, yo, Vybz Kartel couldn't do a stadium without Movado help. The Gully Gaza tour, them little dirty talk they go hear, you know. So if Movado right now they in a Jamaica, people don't care if him there Jamaica or not. Him postpone him show, we not hear when at the new date. It's like probably we not even get a new date. What the Gully Gaza tour I go do? It just a go benefit Movado alone. Like Vybz Kartel can just continue do what him do and go to arenas and stadium without Movado. You see me? And if a first one hear me talk about this, probably have to go over my main channel and hear the reasoning and get the full complete reasoning. Cause me that say yo, to all everybody I go after Vybz Kartel now, me not just Movado. Like people can act like say them forgive you and them good and unity and thing, but deep down them a pray you. You see me? So everybody will say them they good. We are gonna scrap that. Scrap the Gully Gaza thing, cause right now everybody will show them true colors. So that's where the reason they come from, just in case you're new and you wonder how that just come out of the blue. So how me just bring up that so. You see me? So the concept of my 2 channel them. Alright, the concept for have 2 channel. Like in the future, if me ever I go do vlogging for a full-time thing, me have to have 2 channel. Because me just not feel secure to have 1 channel on YouTube. Because right now, the reason why me even not do this is because YouTube put a pause for my monetization for my main channel. Me don't know if it gonna make money in the background and when it come back me get all of them money there, but a donation or something it paused because me that try set up the new channel with the same address and some security something and it take 30 days to rectify. You see me? So in the meantime I say I better me just go and build up the channel so me have something to do in the meantime because when my main channel run sometime I neglect the channel over here, so you see me? So I just use the opportunity and build the channel. So anything can just happen. I mean, I think say YouTube can mess with 2 channel one time. So if one of your channel jump out of the algorithm, at least you have 1 more. If you have the YouTube full time, you see me? So that's the concept. And the next concept is sometime I talk about something and if it get drawn out, the video I get too long, me just continue the reasoning over here. So I'm more straightforward. Over here, so the video easy for make. Me just a talk. Me not pull up no clip and nothing. You see me? Me just a talk my mind. Over here, so make sure say the people them are subscribe to both channel. If you come from over my main channel, make sure say you subscribe. If I first I get introduced to the channel, as of now on, the concept 8 to 12 minutes. And me just a reason about something just like oh you hear me just a reason about some things. Yeah, the next thing I'm more reason about. The last topic I'm more is about, I say, Bounty Killer like him start ender skipper, like out of the blues, like him start ender skipper. Remember say them man ya, them no nothing with trap. Him and Beanie, one at a time Beanie man all violate that one, call him rapper and them something. Them man no busy about trap artists and I think of the mistake there, Masicka make. Like Masicka really thinks Bounty Killer out here endorse him. No, Bounty Killer doesn't do that. Forget to Vybz Kartel. You see me? Yeah. So when Masicka would have repost some things about Bounty Killer say that's how him go wrong. We notice Skipper not do that. Skipper no business if Bounty Killer want to say him bad or not. Don't repost nothing with Bounty Killer say. Bounty Killer doesn't do them something here. Because him turn Mr. Posey right now and him have him own agenda. You see me? That's a mistake again when Masicka make. And if you want to be a king, you have to be a leader, not a follower. Not because I say Bounty Killer. I say yo, Masicka bad and Masicka side me pick you. I go run up and down with Bounty Killer, bro. That's a mistake like a whole heap of mistake you are making, bro. Yeah, you have to learn from Vybz Kartel, the king. Because remember, out of all of them, Bounty Beanie. Everybody, Vybz Kartel are the only man where him endorse the trap. Him even go up on a trap rhythm and dominate it. We not going under. I'll get a youth. You see me? What they wear Bounty Killer start jump on some trap rhythm when them can't do no better. Him and Beanie. When them say skilly bang, take it to another level and then say yeah, they on the trap. You see me? But Vybz Kartel done did jump on the trap rhythm from an earlier time. So, Masicka, you need to learn from Vybz Kartel more than to compete with Vybz Kartel. Learn first. Learn some more before you start compete. You see me? You go to war without a bag of soldier. Cause right now, you think say the one side it can stand up against the Gaza, but the Gaza still strong. And more the one side a sing. So in closing, the one side a sink. Album flop, EP or album, whatever you want flop. You run from the war, you're dead in the war. Bounty you only back active right now on the internet. It don't look good. For somebody will say, I them are the generational king. You see me? Yeah. If you be a generational king, you at least have to hit the billboard. So I don't say, oh, your album for miss. On the reggae billboard, one of the easiest billboard for go pan. Like probably if you sell 500 copy, probably you would have land number 10 on the reggae billboard. But about 300 copy you sell. So, but people, as I say, when I make it reach 12 minutes, 12 minutes at the max. So if you subscribe, if you reach the end and you decide to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Set it to all. So when I drop a next video, you will be notified. Remember, if you like the video, drop a comment and share the video. You see me? I'm gone.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.